Hi guys, I just want to wash my clothes. These are the clothes. They're just my beddings, pillowcases. I want to wash them fast. And then call it a day. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day at least. And we also had someone to cut grass. He's still doing the same. As you can see, the compound is very, very clean. So guys, I'll talk to you later.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
I'm having lunch guys. It has been a busy day for me, cleaning the veranda, washing the door, cleaning the door. It's now pretty clean, and now I'm having my lunch, late lunch. Yes.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door. And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want to show. The rain has been around for way too long. Cause baby, like, ooh, cause baby, like,
I need to wash this because I want to store my oil. My face sponge are very, very dirty. I really need to wash this. Hi guys, it is in the evening. I just want to unbox something with you. My desktop mirror got broke. You see, this is the place that got broke, and this is where I've been putting my jewelry, and so this place actually broke. You see, I'll show you later. There is a hole there, and I really loved this thing. So I decided to order one. It's not that expensive, and I received it from Kilmall. It is quite affordable. So let us unbox it together because I really want to use it. I loved this one because you see, these places, they used to hold my bracelet, my watch. You see, now it cannot even stand. So let us unbox together this and let us see how it looks like. This is the box. the stand. And now this is the place that got broke on the other one. So, and this is the mirror. So let me assemble it together.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you.
And this is it, guys. See, this is how it is. I'm so happy that I've gotten one like the same. I was really stressed up. So this is it. So let me put my jewelry in, and then we shall see how it will look like.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need, and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. So why don't you come to stay? Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
See, I really felt bad actually. You see, it's not going to hold it anymore. I'll see what I'll do with this. So this is my vanity area. As you can see, my desktop mirror. I really love it. It's now looking okay. So this is it. I'm glad, guys. Now my vanity area is now looking okay. I'm really tired. I've already made my bed, as you can all see. It's already made. It's only to put on the duvet cover, and I'm sure I'll do that behind the camera. Actually, there's some things I've done, but it was all behind the camera. You know, I'm trying actually. There's some things I cannot film. it's really tedious and strenuous on me, but all the same, thank you guys. And I am almost 1,000. Please do something. Tell a friend about my channel, about a woman with disability who is really trying very hard to come up with a video to reach out to so many people as an inspiration, and also to encourage someone somewhere who feels like maybe she's giving up. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later. I'm tired guys, just relaxing in my bed while I take some tea there. It has been a very busy day.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane.
Hello guys, this was on a Monday. I came from work and I decided to do some evening routine. I was using sheet mask from Retinol. As you can all see the process, I'll do it, and after that I will try to wash off my face. And before that, I ordered this jade roller from Kilmall, and guasha scraper from Kilmall. It was actually very much affordable. So if you need one, you can take advantage of this Black November. Actually, this is not a paid whatever, but I'm just urging someone somewhere who needs a jade roller for his or her face. I have rinsed it.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
That is it guys. for tonight.
I found you.
Okay, this was on a Monday. Sorry for that. Initially my gardener actually dug that place, so it was very impossible for me to cross over. So I decided to repair it to make it accessible for me. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
I was late. The sun goes around.